Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through best starter animes to watch. And here are the three of the best free apps for watching starter anime, all legally available with free plans or with ads. Crunchyroll, free plan available. So, why it's great for beginners. Crunchyroll has a massive anime library, including beginner classics like Naruto, One Piece, My Hero Academia, and Attack on Titan. And here, you can watch tons of anime with ads, browse genres like action, romance, fantasy, stream subbed anime, and decent quality. Add shows to your watch list. Resume watching from where you left off. Next is Bilibili, free and legal in some regions. Why it's great for beginners? Offers a growing library of anime, including trending ones, especially popular in Asia and some global regions. Here's the usage: stream anime for free some titles in HD. Use subtitles or dubbing, depending on the title. Comment alongside videos. Like channels or series you enjoy. Download episodes, region dependent. And lastly, Anyone Asia, YouTube channel for free. What is great for beginners? It is a free anime publisher on YouTube, uploads full episodes of anime legally, and often with English subtitles. Here are the usage: watch full episodes with no subscription needed. Subscribe to get updates on new anime. Access playlist of full seasons. Adjust the video quality and captions. Watch on YouTube app. No extra download needed. Bonus tip: you can also try Muse Asia, another free anime YouTube channel, both legal and beginner friendly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.